Everyone, today we're going to show you how to sign up for sessions for the upcoming career fair. As you can see, I'm already signed into Handshake. So what you're going to want to go to day of is you're going to click on events, career fair. This will be the career fair you do click on, but today we're going to show you through our test fair. Now, we do have to schedule sessions, so we're going to click on available sessions. And we're going to schedule a one-on-one. And we'll take this time and we will confirm with the employer. Now you can see on the right side of the screen, it says your sessions happening now. So I'm going to shut off my camera so we can see what it looks like when we log in. There I am again. Now I can test my video, make sure that's working. I'm currently using my audio through Zoom, but you would want to make sure your audio is working. If you get up to this part and it isn't working, I do recommend checking your browser. I highly recommend to use Chrome. If you don't have Chrome as an option, Firefox is the second best bet. Do not use Internet Explorer. It's not going to work. So now we're going to click join now. And here we are. Now we're on our one-on-one session with our employer.
Yes, hi, thank you.